finished product. Hope you can see that in there. I smooth those radiuses down in there. So that's not a sharp edge anymore. It's nice and smooth, rounded. Actually feels pretty nice. Here's the side view. I've already test fitted this to the engine stand. So that plugs into the stock inlet pipe. I've got one of these bands with a rubber thing. I actually mated those surfaces on a flat stone with some sanding paper, and then I wrapped it with a couple layers of electrical tape because the rubber had a little like holes in it, you know. So the electrical tape would seal that up. It's like a hole in like all four corners, which is nice because you can line the edges that way. You can see the two edges through the holes, then you're good to go. This one here, there's a little difference in diameter and OD of this aluminum and this plastic. Here's a piece of it cut off. Okay, so I essentially wrapped this with some electrical tape, several layers, until I brought the OD of this pipe here equal to the OD of the aluminum, so that it's clamped, which is perfectly bisected between the aluminum and the plastic piece and the rubber, and tighten that up. So that's good to go. Oh, I think I showed you how I cut this off. This was using the V-band as a template, so it actually looks something like this. When I cut it off, use the band to set the depth, and then I cut along the edge of the band. But there you go. Like I said, I've test fitted it into the jig. It looks good. I'll be plugging it in pretty soon and doing another test run. I can't see why there'd be a problem. I'm sure there's no air leaks. I'm very sure about that. So it should work. And again, I think it was really important to clean up these edges. Oh, these were really bad. Okay. So I used a variety of tools to get in there and round those corners off. Start off with some with a round file. I have it around here somewhere. Use that round file there. It kind of matched the radius I was going for. Took the edges off there, and then I use 100, 220, and 500 grit paper. Just hand sanded it like that until I got it nice and smooth. So anyway, there's the commercial off-the-shelf solution. Pretty. If it works, I think it's something that anybody can do who's trying to do something similar to this. Of course, we won't know that until everything's done, if you want to follow my footsteps, but I like to document maybe others who might benefit from it in the future. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching.